Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to hard reset your Sonos Sub Mini. In case you're having any connection issues with it not staying connected, or if it won't connect, or if it keeps disconnecting, things like that, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. You'll just have to repair it with whatever device that you wanted to once you've done this. But if you'd like to do this, it's quite simple to do. All you need to do is, first of all, you're going to remove the power from the device. So you can unplug it from underneath it where it plugs in, or easier is enough if it's plugged into the wall or whatever, just unplug it at the wall. And then what you want to do, once it's been unplugged, you're going to come in here and you're going to press and hold the infinity button. And while you're pressing and holding the infinity button, you're going to go ahead and restore power and just continue to hold. It will blink white at first, and the little display light above will just start to blink white. Continue to hold it until it blinks red. Once it starts blinking red, you can let go and let it finish its reset process. And once it finishes its reset process, it will turn green and you are good to go. You can reconnect it to whatever device you like.